Good morning children, how are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe and you are eating very healthy food at your home. So, we have completed the explanation part. Now we are going to the textual reading, that is on the page number 53. This is the new lesson of English of class 5. Okay, what is the name of the lesson children? The balloon cellar. Get set, go. What do you enjoy doing during summer holidays? Okay, so they are asking that how you will enjoy your summer holidays. Do you like to stay in town or play with your friends, or do you go away for a holiday? Do you enjoy adventurous sports, indoor games, or just curling up on the sofa with a book? So these are the options they are given. Like nowadays you are getting a very long holidays, right? So how you are just curling up on the sofa and reading a book, or you want to go for the adventurous sports like camping and trekking, or just indoor games like will you like to play the indoor games like chess or carom, right? So these are the things they have given. Okay, so you have to write this one. Make a list of all the things you enjoy doing during the holidays. So if you have written like I like to play indoor games at the home, I like to go for adventurous sports like trekking and camping, or I like to visit my grandparents' house, or I like to make a delicious item in cooking, like this you can write, and tell to your partners also, tell your classmates also that what you can do. Okay, and compare their list with your list. Okay, list with your partners how many things are common between the two lists. Suppose you are suppose you and your friend has written for adventurous sports and indoor games same, so that is a common thing in between you, so that you have to compare. Okay, so now turn the page children. So this is the beginning of the lesson. We have to start. Hooray! Shouted the children as they streamed out of school and piled into their buses. School was over at last. Freedom for the next 2 months. So obviously they are streamed out of the city, they are going into the bus, right? And they are just shouting like tomorrow onwards the holidays has been started, right? So obviously you will also feel the freedom from school, right, for the next 2 months. So this is the situation happened there. Okay. Happy holidays, happy holidays, they shouted as the buses start moving. So as the bus is moving to their home, they started happy holidays, right? At home, Amit flung his bag on his bed and rushed into kitchen. What's for lunch, mommy? He asked. So now Amit, what has done? He has thrown his bag there and going and bed, and then he went to the kitchen because he was hungry. So he was asking for his mother that what's there in the lunch. Your favorite dal bati. So dal bati is it is like it's a delicious dish from Rajasthan, and bati is baked bread like a roasted bun. Okay, so your dal bati is your favorite one, mom said. Okay, so what do you want to do today? Play and play, said Amit. Okay, so what he wants to do? He wants to only play. In the evening, Amit and his friends Karan, Julie, Ruby met their favorite place at the park. So where they met? Their favorite place, that is park, nearby park. So obviously you children also meeting at your favorite place, na? At your park. What shall we do this summer? Asked Karan. Now they are discussing about the holidays, what they can do in the summer. Okay. Who has asked Karan? So how many members are there here? Amit, Karan, Julie, Ruby. So these 4 friends are meeting in one place and they are discussing what they can do in the summer holidays. I wish we had a mystery to solve like the find outers, said Ruby. So Ruby was saying that find outers, 5 find outers, it's a what you call a riddle or a puzzle, and it's a mystery. Okay. So we can do like this, something adventurous. So said Ruby, this was said by the Ruby. That happens only in stories. It doesn't happen in real life, said Amit. So Amit was like he was saying that it is not happening in real. It's happening in only stories. Okay, puzzling, adventuring, like all these things only happens in movies or stories. Okay. I'm not sure, said Karan. After all, thefts and robberies take place in real life. There are real detectives too. We have a detective agency next door. Okay. I'm not so sure. Now, what the Karan is saying, he believes that not only the detectives are in the stories, but or in the movies, but they are in the real life also. So, even the thefts and robberies are also happening in the real life. So, they are the real detectives also, and we have the detective agency next door. Let's do some detecting, said Julie excitedly. So what the Julie is saying? She's saying that we will do very, like she was excited and she said this. Let's do some exciting thing, okay? Don't be silly. We wouldn't know how and where we will find the mystery, asked Amit. Don't be silly. Don't use these silly words, okay? Don't say like this, okay? We don't know what will happen the next, right? Where we'll find the mystery or puzzle. Mystery is also called as puzzle, asked Amit. Okay, Amit said like this. I bet there's a lot of mysteries around. Look at the balloon seller. He has been standing at the gate for the last half an hour without trying to sell a balloon. I'm sure he's a thief just looking for opportunities, said Ruby. Actually, Ruby is she's having a suspicious on that balloon seller, and he was standing nearby his gate, and she's saying that see that balloon seller, he's looking for an opportunity to steal something. Okay, let us see the next what has happened. Okay, well, I don't know, he does have a bag, said Karan uncertainly. So now the Karan has observed that he has a bag, and he said that he's not a thief, right? Look, he's going away. Let's follow him, said Julie. Hey, he's going. Let us follow him. So all the children, they make a group and they are follow the balloon seller. Okay, but let's be careful. It could be dangerous if he sees us, said Karan. They looked rather funny walking one behind the other as they followed the balloon seller. They would scamper for cover and hide behind a car or a cart whenever the man turned his head. So wherever the man his turn is, that balloon seller is turning his head, they will stop there, and slowly they are following him. Okay. So these are all the children, they are just follow the balloon seller. Okay, children. So now we will see in the next textual reading what has happened in this chapter. As you already know, we have already done this chapter, right? Okay, children, take care. Bye.